Let me ask you something. Have you ever fallen off, got back on, and thought, physically, I'm okay? So why does this feel so hard now? Or maybe it's been months or even years, and the fear still shows up at the most inconvenient moments. If that's you, I want to start by saying this clearly. You are not weak or dramatic, and you are definitely not failing at riding. Today, we're going to talk about why the fear of falling off lingers long after the bruises have gone, and what actually helps you move past it in a way that feels safe, steady, and sustainable. When you fall off, your brain doesn't file that memory away like a normal story. It stores it as a threat memory. That means images feel vivid. Thoughts pop up uninvited. Your body reacts before you've had time to think. Confidence disappears even when everything seems fine. Your subconscious mind's job is to keep you alive, not to help you ride beautifully. So, when it replays the fall, tightens your muscles, or fills your head with what ifs, it genuinely believes it's protecting you. This is why telling yourself to stop thinking about it, just be confident, really works. One of the hardest things about fear after a fall is how personal it feels. You look around the yard and think, everyone else seems fine. I should be over this by now. Why can't I just get my confidence back? And because riding is something we care deeply about, fear can start to feel like a judgment on who we are as riders. But fear, after all, isn't a character flaw. It's a human nervous system doing its job. A lot of riders are told the same thing after a fall. Just get back on, ride through it. You'll be fine once you do it a few times. And while exposure can help, forcing yourself before your body feels safe often reinforces the fear instead of clearing it. When your nervous system feels threatened, confidence doesn't come from repetition alone. It comes from regaining a sense of control. This is where mindset work becomes essential. This might surprise you. The goal after a fall is not confidence. The goal is felt safety. Confidence is what naturally appears after your body believes you're safe again. So instead of asking, why am I not confident yet? Try asking, what would help me feel just a little safer right now? Here's something I teach all my riders. Your nervous system learns through small, consistent evidence, not big leaps. Now that might look like shorter rides, clear plans before you get on, staying within your comfort zone on purpose, ending sessions on a calm note. This isn't avoidance. This is retraining your brain. If your brain keeps replaying the fall, here's an important shift. Don't argue with it. Redirect it. Your subconscious responds best to images. So instead of the fall, deliberately replay a calm walk, a steady transition, a moment you felt in control. Even if it feels small, every time you do this, you're giving your brain new data. Fear lives in the body first, thoughts second. So before you work on confidence, work on calming your nervous system. Inhale through your nose for 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Longer exhales signal safety. This alone can change how you ride. I want to leave you with this. Fear after a fall doesn't mean riding isn't for you. It means your brain learned something powerful and now it needs updating. You don't need to be braver. You need the right tools. If this helped, please like the video. It helps more riders find the support. Tell me in the comments, what's the hardest part for you after a fall? The mental images, the tension, or trusting yourself again? I will see you in the next video.